Ladies and gents, give him a round of applause. He tried to pop us a second. Last night.
Hey guys, Namaste, welcome back to my vlog. Welcome to the part 2 of the Petrol Headonism vlog. Honestly, we had so many cars to cover in the last video that it was necessary that we made a part 2, and even I think I will need to make one more video to do it all. As you know, there are so many cars. So coming back on the event we left, so there you can see that the burnout event is still going on, and you're gonna be seeing some amazing flame fire as well, and this is basically because of the anti-lag the car has. Here you can see the Skyline, the Dodge Challenger, the Fair Lady, and many generations of Mustang, and also the Matador. Other than that, I will be leaving you so that you can enjoy the video of the pure sound and pure V8's growling and all the tire screeches.
Or 3 p.m. we have all the influencers. Ben Collins has got to run to get a train, but all the remaining influencers will be up here on the main stage with me. We've got the awards, we've got presentations, we've got a very special somebody's birthday. While you're doing this, we're going to keep you warm as well. That's it, just there, lovely. Right, Jolene, just here. Wind down, Charlie, wind the back.
I'm not sure if I can cope with that noise again. My ears are still bleeding.
Right there. Now you've seen all these cars perform already. Ricky, next to Jolene, right there. You've seen all these cars perform. So here's the lineup. I'll move that. You've got the Nissan GTR, banging and flaming. You've got the Sheriff flaming. That's it, right there, Rick, right there. You've got Jolene flaming and banging. You've got the Skyline flaming and banging. You've got the Mustang flaming and banging. Charlie, have you got this lineup? We can't miss this lineup. Look at this. What a scene. We call it obscene. Owen, are you ready?
Owen cannot hear a thing. So I've got to hand signal this man. He can't hear a thing.
Is everybody ready? Are my contenders ready? Ready together, 3, 2, 1. Flames Thunder Burning Rubber, from Motor Addicts to the Flaming Crazy GTR to Dip Monkey Garage. Dan, Claire and Rick, give them all a big round of applause. We bring nothing but big energy to the stage. Motor Addicts have ruled it, owned it, played it, run it all weekend. Dip Monkey have supported from Southport up north. They came down and got a nosebleed and loved it. Thank you to everybody involved. This is and has been Flames, Thunder and Burning Rubber at Network House. We're going to get ourselves ready for the Elite Class Parade and then 3 o'clock awards up here on the stage. I believe that might be the end of the rain. So don't run off and be flaky. Come on, it's England. We have rain and sunshine, and it's only a little sticky little drizzle. We can survive. Thank you so much, ladies and gents. We'll see you back on stage. I'll be back in 3 o'clock with my friends, and we'll do some lovely presentations. Thank you.
Now I will be continuing you to show the other cars around the event. So here is the famous Mustang V8, and this is in the sapphire grey color, and next to it is the TVR. Yes, it's a TVR Roadster, and that too in a beautiful shade of blue. I will show you the car from sideways so that at least you can have a good amazing view of the TVR, and it also has the OEM wheels on it. What an amazing car to take out in the beautiful English weather. Amazing and truly in every sense. Here is the next car, that is the famous Audi R8. It is a V10. So it has a V10 inside it, and you can see that it also has a custom livery on it in the beautiful spec wheels. I really love the R8 of this generation, I'll be honest to you, and this was termed as the most drivable supercar when it was available at that time. Now it's not anymore. Next you can see some other very beautiful cars lined up, and I'll be honest to you, this is the one of the famous and most tuner friendly car, you can say, Volkswagen Golf Mark II. And yep, the front view, you can see that it's a GTI, and it has been forced. I was saying that it has been forced carbon fiber, and it's a Ford Focus. The next car you can see is a BMW. So these all cars are not like a simple supercars or normal cars. These are also some very beautifully spec car as well. Here you can see Mercedes-Benz GTS, GTR, M4, and I really love the shade on this Mercedes-Benz. That's a Toyota Yaris, and I will be making a part 3 in which I'll be adding other cars that you will like definitely. Thank you.